Welcome to DocSend's Perfect Pitch video series, where we put our research and data to work to help you fundraise. I'm Justin Itzo and I run research here at DocSend. Today's video is on the importance of showing financial responsibility at the seed stage. Our data comes from DocSend's 2021 Startup Fundraising Survey. Let's dive in. So we found that showing responsibility goes a long way. If you have some kind of track record to show, we think it's a good idea to include this in your deck. For example, we found that investors spent over 200% more time on the financial section of seed decks that ended up getting funding versus those that were unsuccessful. But what goes on a financial slide? Well, broadly put, it's any evidence of fiscal discipline. This could be, for example, hiring plans, responsible use of prior investment funds, or any sort of brief itemization of your use of future capital. What if you have a data room, though? And some seed companies do. In a data room, you could include something like reasonable financial projections for the next 3 to 5 years, say, or your current and pro forma cap tables. Investors who are looking at your data room might expect to see documents such as these. To dive deeper into the data, visit DocSend.com/perfectpitch.